Hi, welcome to our channel. We promised our friends and family that we would start a channel so that we could document our travels and our adventures as we traveled across country.
Our hope and intent for the channel was to show our trials and tribulations and hopefully some successes as we travel across country, as we move from California to the Midwest. So we're gonna pack up our travel trailer and hit the road. And when we get to where we're going, we're gonna build a house and learn how to sustainably engage with the land and hopefully achieve partial self-sufficiency.
Many of the videos in this channel are going to be used to document our choices in land management and home construction. It's our hope that our children will inherit the home and the land, and when they get there, we may not be there to pass along the information, so it'll be useful for them to have a documented video, some sort of documentation showing them where something was placed, why it was put there, and what it's used for.
We also hope to build a community of knowledgeable people that will watch this channel, and in many cases we will be learning as we go. So we are hoping to learn from people and share what we learn, and yeah, that.
With that said, I'm Marcus.
I'm Carla. This is Jack. And that's Crystal. And together, we are working on our escape velocity.
We would love if you'd join us on this journey. If you can hit the like and subscribe button, this is an easy and free way to help us support and build the channel. We are planning to read the comments, and we hope to be able to respond as much as we can. We'll see you soon.
Bye! This is Jack.
Try that again. This is Jack. We promised our friends and family that we would start a channel so that we could document our travels and our adventures while we were traveling across country. Trying that again.
And together, we are working on our escape velocity.
Let's try that again. Let's do that one together.
Oh my lord.
And
together, we are working on our escape velocity. Cheesier.
That's cheesy.
It is. Okay.